Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube audio library in 2025. Completely free and safe to use for your videos, even if your channel is monetized. Let's get started. First, go to studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube account. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Audio Library. This is where all the free music and sound effects live. At the top, you'll see two tabs, one for music and one for sound effects. Let's start with the music. You can search by track name, artist, or keyword, or filter by genre, mood, instrument, or even how long the track is. It's super useful if you're trying to match a certain vibe or theme. Hit the play button to preview any track. Once you find a song you like, check the license type column. Most tracks say, you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos. That means no copyright issues at all. Some tracks may ask you to credit the artist, so always double check. To download a track, just click the little arrow icon on the right. It'll save to your computer instantly. From there, you can drop it right into your video editing software, whether you're using Premiere, CapCut, iMovie, or anything else. Now let's switch to the Sound Effects tab. This works the same way. You can search for things like click, swoosh, or camera shutter. Preview, download, and you're good to go. One more tip. You can favorite any track or sound effect by clicking the star next to it. That way you can come back to your favorite sounds anytime without searching again. And that's it. That's how you use the YouTube audio library in 2025. Easy, free, and copyright safe. Perfect for reviews, vlogs, or tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to add that perfect background track to your next video.